We are going to cover the OMNI series 5LE and 3LE indoor fixture IR illuminators. When you receive your unit, please note the model sticker on the box. It contains the model number, wavelength, and illumination angle, and the full part number. You will need this if you call for product support. There is also a QR code that you can scan for more information about the unit. When you pull the unit out, take note of the quick setup guide. This contains information for properly installing your illuminator. It has the correct voltage requirements to apply to the unit. In this case, it is 12 volts DC or PoE. This is an indoor fixture IR illuminator, which is designed to be installed recessed into a ceiling or wall. When installed, only the 3-inch diameter lens will be visible. The body of the unit will be recessed into the ceiling or wall. The 5LE has a 3 3/4 inch body. We also have a 3-watt version, the 3LE. It has a shorter 2 3/4 inch body. This 5LE has a black powder-coated housing, but either model can be purchased with a white housing, like this 3LE. The unit includes 2 metal clips which attach to the light magnetically. You will use these when installing the illuminator. Install the unit at least 12 inches from any ceiling-mounted camera. See the instructions on the setup guide for full installation details. The OMNI 5 and 3LE can be powered using either PoE or 12-volt power. Before installing your unit, make sure that you have the correct PoE or 12-volt DC connections for powering your unit. Use the quick setup guide to properly install your unit. Make all of your connections before applying power to the unit. Make sure one more time that you are using the appropriate voltage or PoE for your unit. Applying the incorrect voltage may void the warranty. At this point, you can power up your unit and be ready to go. If you still have questions after following the quick setup sheet instructions, please feel free to contact us.